Hi guys, I found a new gadget. This is a ice cream tray that I had gotten on Amazon, and it kind of looks like a beehive. And what prompted me to do this was Alan Welch's ice cube tube flip. I couldn't find tubes, but I did find this. So we're gonna find out if this works at all. I have a little bit of paint here left over from a pour that I just did. I did a balloon smash. So what we're gonna do is get some of this in here, and we're just gonna work on putting some paint in these little cups and see what we get in return. So get all this scraped out of here. And I think I'm going to use the same colors and fill this up with sort of a combination of the same colors that I just used. And this is, I can never say this word right, Aquinonian blue. I'm sorry, I am terrible at figuring that one out. And I think we'll come in here with a little bit of bright yellow. And let's see. I'm going to come in here with a custom mix of purple that I did. It's sort of a medium purple, but it's really pretty. And we'll come in here with some orange. And a little bit of hooker's green. And I'll probably have to fill this a couple of times to get paint in all of these, but that's all right. And let's see. Let's put a little bit of iridescent blue in here. And then we're gonna go back to Actually, I've got a little bit of translucent blue, which is almost like a color shift. And then we're going to come back in here with our dark blue. I call it A blue because I can never pronounce the name. So, and let's see, yellow. And I think this time I'm going to put a shot of Peebo Earth Blue and Earth Green, I should say, in there. And then I'm going to do the pink, the orange, a little bit more purple. And a shot of emerald green. And now that we've got that going, I'm going to give this a quick stir. So my colors are kind of mixed up in there. And we're just going to go ahead and start pouring this into all of these little reservoirs. And I figured I'd need more than 1 cup of this, so we're going to come back in here with the dark blue. And I'm going to put a healthy shot of yellow in this. And we'll come in here with some pink. I'm going to do them in slightly different patterns each time I go by. And a little bit of hooker's green. And a little bit of orange. back to my custom purple. And we're going to go in here with a little bit of iridescent blue. And I think I'm going to shoot, nope. Yeah, I'll shoot a little touch of white in there. And we'll go back to the translucent blue. And we're going to go back over here to the yellow. And a little bit more dark blue. There we go. And let's see, yellow, blue, orange, pink, and a little bit more of the iridescent blue. And I'll give it a shot of the emerald green on top. Clean off my little stick here. And we're going to continue filling these. So just a little bit in each one. There we go. Pretty colors. So let's get this pushed over. And I'm going to bring my canvas up and put my canvas just right on top. And see if I can't get this to flip properly. All right, here we go. So, win, lose, or draw, I'll share this video anyway. If it doesn't come out, maybe somebody will have a helpful suggestion. If it does, awesome. A little bit of mud, but not a bad color. So we're gonna first stretch it out a little bit. I'm actually kind of liking this. It's kind of funky. And bring this down into the middle again. And let's come off of this side real quick. And go back down into the center. There we go, and we'll bring it down off of this corner and see what we have. Actually, so far, I think this might not be a fail. Might not have turned out quite the way I intended, but I don't think it's going to turn out bad. And get it off this corner. Up. There we go. Let's get this torched and see what we got. My torch is right here. A lot of bubbles, but Those seem to be popping quite easily. And then let's see if we can get any decent cells out of this. Not bad. Not half bad at all. Considering it was something I've never tried before, I think it came out half decent. So I hope you enjoyed this. I hope it gave you ideas and inspiration to do something different. I'm always looking to push myself outside of my comfort zone, and I'm hoping to inspire others to do that as well. And like you saw in a recent video that I did, if I don't like it, I can always paint over it. But I think this is pretty good, and I think this one's going to be a keeper. So let me know what you think. I always welcome all comments and criticism or pointers if you think, there's a technique that I'm not doing quite right. But I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did. It was definitely fun and definitely something different. Bye for now, y'all.